You know, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah, 200 on my brother's block. Yeah.
Bumbunya ditumis dulu sampai matang. Masukin labu siamnya sama telur sampai matang labu siam telurnya, lalu tuang santannya. Tunggu deh sampai matang. Dan inilah hasil masakannya mie gomak. Bye.